Welcome to Westminster Tool, where our skilled workforce uses a variety of advanced manufacturing technologies to deliver custom injection mold solutions to a variety of different markets. Here at Westminster Tool, we don't believe in job titles. Instead, it's everybody's responsibility to serve the customer, utilizing a variety of interpersonal and technical skills. Let's take a look at some of the career opportunities that are available here. The design process is the first requirement to producing an injection mold, and each job starts with a unique customer need. Utilizing a CAD model like this, Seth builds a design that solves the customer's challenge. This design is the blueprint that the shop follows throughout the entire process. This is Victoria operating our EDM cell. EDM stands for Electrical Discharge Machine. This process utilizes electrical sparks to slowly erode small amounts of material from the workpiece. This is a highly technical alternative to traditional machining when superfine detail is critical. Machining plays a critical role in the manufacturing process of injection molds because it allows us to remove large amounts of metal to create complicated shapes. This requires machinists like Alan to have in-depth knowledge of machine programming and the machining process. At Westminster Tool, we hire for character and train for skill. In order to do this, we place a large emphasis on our culture of emotional intelligence, continuous learning and improving, and accountability. If you'd like to learn more about a career at Westminster Tool, please visit our website, westminstertool.com.